Hello friends, welcome to our channel Fighter RAJPUT in a new video. In this video I will tell you how you can create a free fake WhatsApp account. And today's our application is VPN free application. And this application link I will provide you on my Instagram. So now follow me on Instagram and take this link from there. So now I will open my application. Then touch on sign up, select your any one mail, then enter your password. After entered your password, you fill this little box. Then touch on sign up. Then touch on not now and skip, and don't use location. Now come on main point. There are many area codes are available, but you will must use 416 area code because 416 area code is very best area code. Entered 416 area code, then I agree. Getting phone numbers. Now I will find 5 free number. I will select any one number, then touch on continue. Now you touch on your number and your number copied to clipboard. Now I am going in my WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp. First you will must select +1 United States and put your number, then touch on next. Next. The number is your, the number are valid. Touch on OK. Okay. Wait for 1 minute. 1 minute over. Now you can easily apply for your SMS. So now touch on call me. So wait for 1 minute. After 1 minute your voicemail will come. After 1 minute I have arrived my voicemail and I am playing on front you.
Station code is 218640.
Verification complete. Now you entered your name. Now your number completely created. Now you can see my all contact. I hope my video 100% impress you. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe.